Here is the graphics card I will pair with my beastly rig. It is AMD 2400 Pro. It is very good. It is very expensive too. It is really nice. Big fan for cooling. It is really nice. Screwdriver LOL. It screws. It is really nice. Second screwdriver. It also screws. It is really nice. Here is the beast. It is my computer. It is fast and cool. Here is the patient of my operation. It is my very beastly budget extreme 4K ultra specs console killer future-proof content creation workload oriented low-end HIG mid-tier Intel-based Z97 chipset computer. It is really nice. Cool EEO. It from the gamers at IMD or ITILOL. First we need to unscrew the screws in this bloody stupid metal plate. What the hell, Corsair, why would you do this? I hate this metal plate. God damn it, screwdriver sucks ass. Maybe I will use this, I mean other screwdriver. Nathan, stop it now, you are scaring the children. Much better. The cake is alive. Funny memes. Okay, where was I? Oh yes, fuck metal plate, bloody ruddy Nora. Damn you metal plate, LOL. Here is the slot for insertion and continued by PCIe finger of X16 lane. Here is card. It looks so cool. Thank you Jesus for present of goodwill. Okay, here we go. I can barely hold back my excitement. Unscrew this. Screw this should be easy. Sorry for swearing, I forgot my pills at the pharmacy today. I must. The screws always fall behind it and then I have to go looking for them. Life. Okay, here we go. Remove this slot cover. It looked like beehive where I stung my eye. Ouch, it hurts. The eternal stinging is blinding me. Open the tab. Slot the beastly looking graphics accelerator into the computer. Push really hard now, Nathan, you can do it. God damn it. Not again, please, no. I can't get it in. Okay, I fixed it. Here it is. You can see it works well, mates. Looking epic. True. Pop that son of a bitch in. Screwing it in is difficult. Please help me, God. There we go, all done up nice and tight. Honestly, played. LOL, it need a haircut. Yeah, that's right. Here is the beast in all its red shining glory. I can wait to boot this up and play Minecraft at 24 FPS. Flick that switch. Boom, it works, thank God. Oh sweet, nice, cool spinny blades.